Up, 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 up. So, this means that it's waterproof. Hello everybody, Jack from Segui Idroponica. I'm here to show you the new Cosmorrow kit based on the new COP 20 and 40 watt bulbs. So everything is included in this kit, and it is a 24 volt with all plugs, and also you have two kinds of handlings. We will see this one is when you want to be very high. So we have 4 different versions. One which is 60 watts. You can see here for the 60 by 40 centimeter space. One is 100 watts. This is for the 60 by 60 centimeter grow area. So we try to be as large as possible to have a good footprint. This one is 200 watts, which is for the 90 by 90 centimeter grow areas. So we will see after the tents, but we have a 4th version which is not assembled yet, but which is 120 watts. You have 3 of them for the 90 by 60 centimeter tents. Okay, we will do. It's very fast to assemble, like flash. Okay, no flash mode. You can use any kind of COP or coil bulbs. You can change them one by one. You can change them and put some UV and infrared boosters instead. Okay, you can also use the coil, except for the 40 watts, because for the 40 watts the COP is shorter, because it's for blooming mainly, for intensive grow, and the coil is longer because it's for propagation, like the DP120. This is dimmable. You can detach it, and if you want to be waterproof, you can put here. You can do 2 of them, if I show you for the waterproof, but in fact you can displug up to 4, and you will still have the 20 watt because it's auto-regulated. Waterproof, strong. You can panache your spectrum, and it's waterproof. So if it's waterproof, it means that it's waterproof. I did it on the, okay, so you can wash your tents. It's 24 volts, low risk. Everything is 24 volts inside the tent. Okay. See you next time. Sorry, I forgot to plug this one, and people would think it was not working, but it's working, sorry. And just to be sure, who will clean it? Me? Fuck. Sorry. Cheers.